Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another tips and tricks video with QuantGnosis Diary. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use custom indicator in TradingView. In previous TradingView related video, we explored the option of using TradingView drawing tools, and we also have explored the option of using built-in indicators. And just like built-in indicators and drawings, custom indicators combines the both of the functionality of your flexibility of drawing whatever you want in your chart analysis from the drawing tool and the option to have a system which is consistently give you same result. So combine this both functionality in a custom indicator using custom logic, and we can use to inside the TradingView. So before we jump into the example of the custom indicator, TradingView actually has its own scripting language called Pine, which is currently version 4, and as a programming language it may not be that of advanced programming language, but it still does the job. So Pine supports development of both indicator and strategy. Now in this video we are going to talk only about the indicator, and strategy we'll talk about in another video. Now going back to the example, right now I have opened a chart for QQQ, which is basically the ETF for Nasdaq Tech Index. And if you see, there is nothing there. I mean, there is only price is in a candlestick pattern, and then there's a time frame and the price in the y-axis. That is all it is there. Now if you look into the bottom section of the chart, there is something called Pine Editor, and if you click on this, it will open up small panel called Pine Editor. And if you have this, if you see this, there is already some lines of code already written. There is 6 lines of code already written. You could delete this, okay, and go to open and then click on new blank indicator. If you open this options, it will basically open the default codes. So this default codes, let's do one thing, let's just add this code to the chart and see how it looks. So if you see this, this is my script was my indicator title, and this is coming as my script in the chart, and it's plotting the close price of each of the candle in a line chart. Okay, so that's exactly how the custom indicator works in the TradingView. So you have written some custom code in this part, and then you add that to the chart. That is all. Okay, instead of adding directly to the chart, you can also do saving the indicator and use it later as well. Now let's take a look at a real example. So for those whoever is supporting us in the patreon.com, if you go to one of our posts, there is something called range indicator code. If you click on that and download it, you will get the custom code, which is basically doing a simple calculation based on simple moving average and the deviation from the moving average, and detecting whether price is going through a range or price is going through a trend. So if you just take that code, copy the entire code, and after opening a new blank indicator, if you just delete everything and paste the code, you get this. Click on the save button and you will get a give the script a name and click on save. So this will save the custom indicator, and it will add the indicator to the chart as well. Now if you accidentally remove the indicator from the chart, you can always go back to the indicator and strategy and under my script, and you can add the your indicator that you have saved before. So this is basically a real life example of using a custom indicator. So this indicator, what it does, the logic behind this indicator written in a way, it basically calculate whether this black dots area, which is basically indicate a squeeze is happening, that is price is entering a range, or whether price is going on a trend. If it's this black dots area is not there, if this is non black dots area, it basically means that price is expanding based on the standard deviation. Price is expanding and going in a trend. And if price is in the black dot area, it's basically price is forming a squeeze and it's entering a range. Obviously, the part of the shade of green and the red, the positive side oscillation and negative side oscillation, it basically gives you whether price is going uptrend or downtrend. The shade of the color, which is deep color and light color, tells you whether price is reversing from the uptrend or it's losing the momentum or not. So it basically give you strong trend or a weak trend, or whether a reversal is happening. So that's all this custom indicator do. But coming back to the topic of using the custom indicator, uh, so you can develop your own indicator writing your own code. So this one was not too complicated. It basically uses moving average and standard deviation multiplier, and use that to find where is the squeeze is happening or where it is expanding. Okay, so if you are interested in learning this scripting language, you can open this Pinerator again and click on this triple dot. If we open the documentation, you can see there guide is available how to write this code. So you can go through this user manual and learn about it. Or if we have enough supporter in our Patreon fan page, in that case also we may hold a private webinar to learn how to write Pine scripting. So I think that will be all for this video. Please put down your comment about your thoughts, what you're thinking. Also make sure you spend some time to learn about the Pine scripting from the documentations if you want to learn more about it.